That's right, kids. You know what time it is. Well, here we go. It's the Volunteer Responder of Central Missouri. SkyWarn spotters, right? Daily brief. This is the AM. We're doing this in the morning here at 9:18 a.m. Central Standard Time. So, right off the bat, man, I'm gonna let you know. 40-mile-an-hour winds. Tonight we're supposed to have storms, possible hail, and tornado activity, central and southeast Illinois, right? So we have central Missouri, southeast Illinois. So anyhow, let's go down here. Strong and gusty winds today. Let's go ahead and get this. Let's go ahead and download that, do our thing, right? We'll go to the emergency room. The emergency room. Spotter activation. Here we are. Download your daily brief. This was issued at 7 a.m. Okay. Enhanced. So we're at the very top of it. So let's go ahead and cover this real quick. So we're going to have basically, come on guys, you know what it is. There we go. Copy that. Alright. Severe thunderstorms. Tonight, mainly during the evening. You remember, can't see them at night. So the primary threat will be damaging winds. We're going to have large hail and isolated tornadoes are possible. Okay. Strong winds today. Strong and gusty south winds from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're looking at much of northeast and central Missouri and a small part of west central Illinois. The winds are going to be up to 30-mile-an-hour winds with gusts to 45. That's pretty fast. On top of that, we have an elevated fire danger until probably about Tuesday or Wednesday. Could become red flag conditions, especially north of Interstate 70. You know, because all that, weather modification programs they've been doing. Thanks for the geoengineering team. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Okay. There you go, kids. So, spotter activation. Yeah, if you're a responder, you should be on call anyway. Right? 45-mile-an-hour wind. I mean, that's pretty dangerous already. Most people don't think wind's dangerous. Yep, sure it is. Okay, so we have thunderstorms, high winds, elevated fire danger. Till Tuesday. Okay. Let's look at the local radar real quick. I'll go ahead and post that up there. Nothing going on. Nothing going on. So let's see what's coming up the pipe. That's what I usually say. It's coming from the southwest. I don't see anything. See anything? Nope. Okay. So let's go back to the so we got the brief, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to bring up something. Hang on. Yeah, I wanted to bring up something. Let's see. Missouri and Illinois Severe Weather Awareness Week. Okay, because, we have all kinds of activity going on. Let's see if we can make it mobile friendly. That's important. Right, so we have Missouri Severe Weather Awareness Week. Right, between the 5 to 11 introduction. So they have a website you can go to. Every day we'll have a different theme, so you click on the links below to get 1 to 2 page PDF documentation covering the particular subject. Of course, if you don't have the Adobe Acrobat Reader, it's free. You gotta get it from Google, I suppose. Missouri Emergency Management Weather website is Storm Aware. Being prepared, right? So we should have a basic knowledge of severe weather safety rules and have a severe weather plan in place. knowing what to do, where to go, when severe weather threatens can be the difference between life and death. It's a good time for all Missouri natives, and then we have the civilians known as citizens, to practice their severe weather plans. Okay, so the annual Missouri Severe Weather Drill, which will be held Tuesday, March 7th at 10 a.m. So in case you're wondering what that is. So basically at March 7th at 10 a.m., just go over a drill for a basic, emergency preparedness plan. So if you have any questions, comments, or you need to call somebody, there it is. So, yeah. So let's go to the storm aware real quick. See what that's got going on. And there's pretty much it. .gov, of course. Flood safety, school. Anyway, it has select a tornado safety video. Storm facts, storm mids, tornado mids, flooding deaths. Sign up for severe weather alerts. Right. I think we've got that covered considering how we work for them. Right? Well, we got this datamo.gov. Get off there. Okay, well, it's some kind of data set. I don't really think I'm interested in this. I'm pretty sure if there's a tornado coming, I can get the gist of it, right? Alright, anyhow, Missouri Severe Weather Awareness Week. And if you go down here, every day we'll have a different theme. You click on the links below to get a 1 to 2 page document covering the particular subject. And so you just click on these links and there you go. Okay, so what's today, Monday? So today is Preparedness Day. Okay, so we're going to Preparedness Day. And I'll just put all these together, and I guess I'll post a little thing. Maybe tonight I'll read it. There you go. That's pretty much today's. Okay. Well, I'll put this all together, and we'll just post it on my video channel, and I'll just read it out to you or something for those who can't read, like me. So anyhow, let me go back here. We've already done that. So we went over the weather. It's going to be windy, overcast. Cold front's coming in. We're going to have severe weather tonight at dark. You can't see it. So let's go ahead and check the... I got my earthquake data to work. We did some uninstall and reinstall new updates and stuff, so now it works just fine. So here we go. Here's our earthquake alert data feed. So let's go ahead and look at the national here. This is a little bit better. Okay. Let me change the settings here. Let's put worldwide. Now, let's go back. There you go. Now, if you pan out, you can see the whole area. So we'll just do our continental region here. Iceland, we're having earthquakes off the coast of Iceland. Those are pretty big. God dang, that's that's a pretty major deal. Anyhow, you see the little blue dot? See the little blue dot right there? That's us. So we look at the earthquake data that we have here, and the blue dot is where we are, or I am anyway. Oklahoma is usually getting it. So if we want to change that up, we can. So let's see. Override locations, distance filter, default magnitude, notifications, map type. That's what I was looking for. I want the satellite one. There we go. We want the satellite map. Okay. Alright, so you have... Let's just take one for example. We looked at this yesterday. Let's see if this map actually is any better. Yeah. This map's up to date because it's winter time, so that nothing's green. Some kind of runoff. Looks like it's some kind of runoff right here. It's probably a platform for a drill rig. That's what I'm gonna think it is. Yep, it's probably some kind of a runoff or a platform for a drill rig. Anyhow, that's just basically how I figure it out. We use the terrain map, we look it up what's there and what's going on. Anyhow, there you go. So, let's go back to, hang on, let me see if you get lost, I just do this, boom, and then pull out like this. There we go. Okay. Alright, so, we'll leave it at the map, that's pretty much it. Go back to settings, and then what we want to do is the distance. I usually do this one, that's decent enough. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's where we are for the day for the earthquake data. Alright, that's what you're looking at if you're traveling and you see all these green dots. That is the area that your earthquake activity is happening. So, California, Canada, Utah, Montana, Kansas. Okay, so it gives you the latest. So if you're interested in how this is the earthquake alert. So, anyhow, that's what I use to aggregate all the feed. You can go to the actual USGS site too as well if you're curious about that. And earthquakes updated. Earthquakes are updated. You can go to the map by pushing the globe up here on the right. Then you just scroll in to where you are. Hit this piece right here. Let's see if I can back up. Just cue in where you're at. Right? Show legend. That gives you the idea of the magnitude. Yeah, supposedly I'm in the library. So what I want is the terrain. Yeah, I'm in the library, imagine that. Okay, so I want the terrain. Anyhow, I wanted the terrain map. Or the satellite map's actually what I'm looking for. Satellite map. You go to the satellite. There. Damn it. Go back. There we go. Okay. And if you're really curious, then you just go back. Latest earthquakes. That's pretty much it. God dang, this is a loud library. It gives you some of the most current ones. Let's see. 6.3. Alright, so the ones that are pressing are going to be in dark. Possible tsunamis, things of that nature. So, anyhow, that's pretty much all we got for today. Other than a bunch of, weather awareness week. I just thought I'd touch base with that real quick. In one of the world's loudest libraries. But yeah, I'll put together the emergency preparedness plan thing for the weather awareness week. Put it in PDF form. I'll just probably maybe present something present something for my video page or something. Put it together and let y'all know. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. So it doesn't look like we have a lot of earthquake activity. Just over there. You know, not the usual hot spots, basically. Yeah. Tsunamis and stuff. So we'll back out of this. Okay. Let's go to the Pickle 3 radar real quick. Okay, so we'll go to Pickle 3 real quick. See where all the responders are at. That's me where the yellow dot is. Like I said, in the world's loudest library. There we go, much better. Okay, there's me. See what my name is? Smitty. Okay, so we want to go to warning list. God dang, it's a loud library. So the warning list, storm reports, text products, miscellaneous. So if you want to go to the satellite, then it shows you all this other stuff. Water vapor, infrared, visible, CONUS. So let's go to the visible one real quick. I just want to show you some features of this app that I use. This is actually the one that we use for the weather service. That's pretty much it. Overcast, windy. Okay, so anyhow, there I am. See, if you want to see query this, that's me, the spotter. See, there I am right there. My phone is currently not on, of course. And if you want to talk to me on Twitter, it's volume respond, VOLRESPO of CENTMO, Volunteer Responders of Central Missouri. Responder SkyWarn. My Motorola channel is 10X, because we're in the middle of Central Missouri, Dixie, so I use the word X on my communication device, known as a Motorola two-way radio. So there's my email if you want to holler at me. But anyhow, there I am on the radar. Okay, there's all the other spotters that are supposedly on duty right now. Yep, see, I'm green, so I'm good to go. So if you see me on green, that means I'm on or near. If I'm on red, that means I've been on and I'm still around somewhere. So anyhow, let's go ahead and hit this, centralize it, get my location going. Okay, then usually what we do is we go to settings, and everything seems to be pretty decent. Here's how I usually do it. If I want to go to miscellaneous, okay, and I want to set a spotter report, that's how I do it. Go ahead and dial all this in and make sure everything's working right. Boom, it comes on the spotter network. Gives me my location, my GPS coordinates and all that. So just make sure you do the correct time. For some reason it's not doing the time right. Okay, let me back out of that. So I'm just kind of going over some of the applications that I have to use. It's running slow because I have the video recorder going and the internet at the same time. So anyhow, we'll go back over here real quick. Let's go to the chaser locator. I'm not a chaser. We don't recommend chasing storms. Okay, there's my GPS cell network. Now, if I want to send a rapid report, this probably won't work. Nope. Let's try the other one. This one usually never works. This one usually works. That one doesn't work. It's always this one. And then the one that I usually actually use with the weather service. Okay, that's a spotter network. Okay, here's what I've done. I've already went ahead and see it says spotter report. Then right here it says National Weather Service Storm Report. So I'll put this right here. That's the one I mostly use. This is the one I mostly use. This is with the storm report. Okay. So it goes right there. It gives you the date. Right. You select the county you're in. Right. We're in Missouri. So you just kind of do that. Then you give a general description of where you're at. You know, if you're really cool. If you really know where you're at, you just go, you know, you poke it over here somewhere. Right. So anyhow, scroll through this. Put this down and all that. Okay. That's pretty much it. Alright, well there's your briefing for the day. High winds. Storms tonight with 40-mile-an-hour gusts. Hail, possible tornadoes, spotter activation. Until Wednesday we have elevated fire danger. There you go, that's pretty much it. Earthquake activity. Well, not much going on here. Wonder if we can find anything else to get into. Anyway, that's pretty much it.